How to fix Roblox not saving settings bug. Welcome back to Teknobalta. Today, we are tackling a deeply frustrating issue where Roblox completely fails to save your in-game settings, resetting your sensitivity, graphics, and controls every single time you relaunch the game. During our investigation, we discovered that while many players experience this right after a clean Windows installation, the underlying cause often stems from local user path conflicts, network filtering, or permission errors. We tested every potential fix and confirmed that a combination of directory renaming, cache clearing, and network optimization will permanently resolve this bug. Let us dive straight into our comprehensive, step-by-step technical guide to fix your Roblox configuration persistence once and for all. Rename your Windows user folder to remove non-English characters. Our analysis revealed that having non-English characters in your Windows user profile directory is the primary trigger for Roblox settings failing to save. Even if your computer name is in standard English, the local user folder might still contain special characters that break the game's config file path. You must create a new local Windows administrative account using only standard English letters, or follow our advanced registry method to rename your existing user profile directory. Rename your computer device name to standard English. We tested this fix and confirmed that special characters in your overall PC device name can also disrupt the game's configuration parser. Open your Windows settings, navigate to System, and click on About to inspect your current device name. Click on Rename this PC, remove any non-English characters, apply the new name, and restart your computer to ensure the system environment paths update properly. Disable active VPN connections and proxy servers. Our testing showed that active VPN tunnels can interrupt the background cloud synchronization required to save your profile preferences. Open your VPN client and completely disconnect from any virtual servers before launching Roblox. Additionally, verify within your Windows network settings that no manual proxy servers are enabled, ensuring a direct connection to the game servers. Configure Cloudflare DNS for stable routing. Network instability can prevent the client from communicating with configuration servers, which is why we recommend using Cloudflare DNS. Open your Network Connections control panel, right-click your active adapter, and select Properties. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4 and manually set the preferred DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 and the alternate DNS to 1, 0, 0, 1 to stabilize your connection. Flush Windows DNS cache and reset network sockets. After updating your DNS settings, you need to clear your operating system's network cache to remove outdated routing data. Open the command prompt as an administrator from your Windows Start menu. Type ipconfig/flushdins followed by netch winsock reset. Press Enter after each command, and reboot your system to apply the clean network stack. Delete local Roblox configuration and XML files. When settings constantly revert to default, the local configuration files are often corrupted and locked in a read-only state. Press the Windows key and R together, type %localappdata%\Roblox, and hit Enter to access the game's local storage directory. Locate the GlobalBasicSettings XML file alongside any temporary configuration folders, and delete them completely so the client can generate a fresh copy. Disable Windows Controlled Folder Access. Windows Security includes a ransomware protection feature that can block Roblox from modifying files inside your user directory. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and select Manage Ransomware Protection. Either temporarily disable Controlled Folder Access or add the Roblox Player executable to the list of allowed applications. Run Roblox Player as an administrator. Insufficient account permissions often prevent the game client from writing changes to your storage drive. Right-click your Roblox Player desktop shortcut and select Properties from the context menu. Navigate to the Compatibility tab, check the box labeled Run this program as an administrator, and click Apply to elevate the application's right permissions. Disable antivirus script and behavior monitoring. Third-party antivirus software can mistakenly identify Roblox's background configuration saving process as suspicious behavior. Open your antivirus software dashboard and locate the real-time protection or advanced monitoring settings. Create an exclusion rule for the entire %local app data %Roblox folder to prevent security scans from blocking file writes. Check and fix read-only folder attributes. Sometimes Windows automatically applies a read-only attribute to application folders after a system update or recovery. Navigate to %local app data right-click the Roblox folder and select Properties. Uncheck the read-only attribute box. Apply the changes to all subfolders and files, and click OK to restore normal writing rights. Perform a clean reinstallation of Roblox. If your core installation files are damaged, a standard patch will not fix the broken settings saving mechanism. Open your Windows settings, go to Installed Apps, locate Roblox Player, and uninstall it completely. Afterwards, delete any leftover files in your app data directories before downloading a fresh installer from the official website. Update Windows to the latest build. An outdated Windows build can cause compatibility issues with local file systems and user account controls. Open Windows Settings, navigate to Windows Update, and check for any pending cumulative updates. Download and install all available system patches. Then restart your PC to ensure full system compatibility. Verify storage drive integrity with CHKDSK. File system errors or bad sectors on your hard drive can prevent the operating system from saving modifications to text and XML files. Open an elevated command prompt and type chkdsk/f/r to schedule a comprehensive drive scan. Restart your computer and allow the Windows Diagnostic tool to scan and repair any storage anomalies. Clear temp files using the Windows Disk Cleanup tool. Cluttered temporary directories can cause file name collisions that block new configuration files from being written. Press the Windows key and R, type cleangr, and select your primary system drive to open Disk Cleanup. Check the boxes for temporary files and DirectX shader cache. Then click OK to clear out potential file conflicts. Create a symbolic link for problematic profile paths. If you cannot rename your user folder, creating a symbolic link provides a safe English path that redirects to your real directory. Open command prompt as an administrator and use the mclink/d command to link a simple path like c/users/gamer to your actual user profile. You can then configure your system environment variables to route application data through this clean link. Reset Windows environment variables to default paths. Modified environment variables might point Roblox to a non-existent or restricted temporary directory. Right-click this PC, select Properties, click Advanced System Settings, and open the Environment Variables menu. Ensure that your temp and TMP variables correctly point to %user profile %big/app data /local/temp without any special characters in the string. Adjust in-game settings inside an active experience. Attempting to change settings from the main menu desktop app sometimes fails to trigger the configuration save event. Launch directly into an actual Roblox game experience before pressing the Escape key to open your settings menu. Adjust your graphics, camera, and sensitivity preferences here. Resume the game for a few seconds, and then leave properly to force a configuration save. Don't forget to follow Teknobalta for more.